Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we are exploring the incredible features of Revo, the ultimate multi-camera app that's a must-have for every content creator using iOS. Whether you are a vlogger, gamer, or just love creating fun videos, you will want to stick around to see what this app can do. Now, let's start with the switch cam mode, which I can record and effortlessly switch between the front and back camera without missing a beat. Perfect for capturing real-time reactions and the surrounding environment in a single take. So you can take a photo of the front and the back of the cameras easily on one screen. Now, next we have the split screen mode. That screen mode is helping you recording a tutorial where you can show both your reaction and the activity at the same time. Both views are resizable, so you can control what your viewers can focus on. There is also the PIP mode, or this is what they call it. Moving on to PIP mode, or picture in picture, this feature lets you record with both cameras, placing one feed in a customizable floating window over the other. It's fantastic for commentary, walkthrough, or just adding dynamic layer to your videos. It's an amazing feature. iPhone doesn't support it in the camera app, and this new Revo app is providing it. And here is something for those who love to multitask. Web mode allows you to record yourself while browsing the web. You can walk through websites, watch videos, or even play games while you narrate. So you can easily speak, talk while watching a page, and your camera will be available as well. So it's like doing a video recording, a screen recording. There is also the upload mode. You can play videos in the background while recording yourself with the front camera. This is great for reaction videos or adding a live commentary layer to pre-recording content. I'm using this feature a lot in a lot of my recent videos and it's working amazing. There is also the live broadcasting. For the live streamers out there, Revo supports live broadcasting directly to your favorite platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. Share your moments live and in style. Don't forget about the camera controls. Zoom, exposure, focus, lock. All these are at your fingerprints, enhancing your recording experience without any complex setups. After you are done recording, all your videos are neatly organized in the Revo library inside the app itself, where you can save, share, and watch anytime. And the best part, no ads or paid subscriptions to worry about. You can use this app out of the box directly, and they will not ask you to watch an ad or to pay a subscription. So if you are looking to elevate your video content with professional multi-camera features, Revo is the app for you. Download it today and start creating more engaging and creative videos right from your iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget, the link to the app is in this video description. Thanks. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.